Good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about the second type of energy called sound. In some page from 488 till 492. Let's start. Our objectives today describe how vibrations produce sound. How vibrations produce sound. What is sound? Sound is a form of energy that comes from objects that vibrate. In the beginning, you must tell me form of energy, because the first form of energy we talk about it heat. The second form of energy called sound. So sound is a form of energy that comes from objects that vibrate. What's the meaning of vibrate? Vibrate means to move back and forth quickly. To move back and forth quickly. How? When an object vibrates, it causes the air particles around to it to move. Like the pill, when you try to move the pill, something inside the pill vibrates. So the air particles surround to it move. So it gives us sound. We can't make a sound without making something vibrate. We can't make a sound without making something vibrate. How does sound travel? How does sound travel? Let's see. When you drop a stone into a pond, the stone makes waves, as you see in the pictures. In the water, make waves in the water that move out in all the directions, as you see. So, sound travels in waves too. Sound travels in waves. So, try this. Put your finger on your neck, like the boy here in the picture, and say as loud as you can. As loud as you can. Now say it as soft as you can. So what you feel? You can't only hear the sound, but you can feel something vibrate inside your throat. You feel something vibrate inside your throat. So this something that vibrates inside your throat make you or help you to make a sound. How does sound travel? When you pluck a guitar string, it vibrates to make sounds wave. Like this man, when he tried to move this string in the guitar, it make a sound waves. So these waves move through the air, and when these waves reach your ear, in this time you can hear the sound of guitar. Sound waves can travel through all states of matter. Sound waves can travel through all states of matter. How? Number 1, through the solid. Try to knock the door. Put your ear on your desk, and try to knock it. You hear, You hear a sound. And move the pencil. Put your ears on the desk again and move the pencil on your desk. You will hear a sound. Through a liquid, like the whales use sounds to communicate together. The mother communicates with her kids by the sounds, because the sound can travel through the liquid. Number 3, sound can travel through a gas, like the air. Like when I talk with you in the class, when I'm talking with you in the class, you can hear me. Why? Because my voice move, my sound send a waves. These waves reach to your ear. In this time, you can hear me. So note this: sound waves doesn't travel in space. Sound waves doesn't travel in space, only in all the kinds of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Sound travel in all 3 states of matter, but in different speed. How? The sound travels slowest. The sound travels slowest through gas. The sound travels faster through liquid. The sound travels fastest through solid. So it's so important to note it. Again, sound travels slowest through gas, faster through liquid, fastest through solid. How are sound different? Close your eyes and listen. What sound do you hear? Without see anything, just close your eyes and try to hear different sounds around you. Why the sound different around you? Number one, about the volume of the sound. What is the meaning of volume? Volume means that describes how loud a sound is. Volume means describes how loud a sound is. Like what? Like the plane's sound louder than a bird sound. The aeroplanes sound louder than a bird sound. Why? Because the aeroplane has a greater volume than a bird. A plane or the aeroplane has a greater volume than the bird, so the aeroplane sound louder than the bird sound. How are the sound different? The same. The object that has more energy, it makes more louder sound. The object that has more energy, it makes more louder sound. How? Try to tap your foot. Tap your foot. It needs low energy, so less vibration, so you hear soft sound. If you try to tap your hand, tap your foot, it needs from you low energy, so it has less vibration, so you hear a soft sound. But try to stomp your foot, it needs more energy for you, so it will have or it will give you more vibration, so you hear a loud sound. So, what is the meaning of sound? It's a form of energy that happened by something vibrate. Vibrate means to go or to move back and forth quickly. Sound move slowest through gas. Sound move faster through liquid. Sound moves fastest through solid. Thank you.